Alma of the Airwaves, Blackie, drinking water on St. Patrick's Day. It is March 17th and it's St. Patrick's Day. Congratulations. I gathered everything in green I have, including this unicorn from the dollar store. No Guinness. Also green. Do you know what this is? This is halva. Beautiful, with pistachios. Middle East extravaganza. Beautiful. Okay, today you're gonna see the most wonderful video in the morning of the swan. The swan is back in the river this time. Please have a look. It's he's alone, or she. So there used to be two, but today it was only one. So that's my video. Enjoy a beautiful morning, and the swan is the star of the morning. So productions, I'm gonna make a dream catcher by myself. So that's the plan for the day. And that's it. Enjoy your holiday. It's St. Patrick's Day. I have so many Irish friends. We're gonna celebrate. Okay. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday and it's gonna be March 18th. I knew that I forgot something. I forgot to tell you what we're gonna cook today. Today is gonna be beautiful salmon with asparagus. Why do I like asparagus so much? Because in 2012, when I was waiting in line to pay at Loblaws, at the cashier, and I bought asparagus, I had a glimpse. All of a sudden, I was looking at the people in front of me and at this cashier, and I thought, oh my God, maybe there is hope for me as well. It was the first time I got a glimpse into a better future. I'll never forget that. So on the menu with Miss Piggy is salmon with asparagus. Okay, I'm gonna cook this salmon, beautiful fillet, with this beautiful asparagus with walnuts. And yeah, I mentioned the halva. That's on the menu, Miss Piggy. Okay, and ready. The salmon, I forgot to mention the broccoli, beautiful green broccoli for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, Miss Piggy is in heaven, to be honest. Okay, bon appetit. This one thirsty dog all day drinking water today. Right?